Ever feel like you're juggling 9 different AI tools just to get one simple task done? You've got ChatGPT for writing, Claude for deep analysis, Gemini for images, and another for your local notes, all open in separate browser tabs, switching back and forth, wasting precious time. That's the brutal reality for most AI power users in 2026. But what if you could connect all those tools into one seamless workflow that remembers everything and runs 24/7 on your own machine? That's exactly what OpenClaw does, and it's changing everything. Let me show you why this isn't just another chatbot. It's an orchestration layer built for real work. First, OpenClaw connects your favorite AI models, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, even your local LLMs, into a single interface. No more tab switching chaos. You tell it, analyze this e-commerce report and draft a strategy, and it uses the right model for each step without you lifting a finger. And here's the game changer. You can run local LLMs like Llama 370B or Mistral 7B directly on your Mac Mini or VPS. No API fees. No data leaving your network. That means zero cost per query and total privacy. Your sensitive business data never hits the cloud. I tested this myself. I set up a Mac Mini just for OpenClaw, about $1,000 hardware, no monthly fees. I connected it to my local Llama 3 model and also added my ChatGPT and Claude API keys. Now, when I say research AI tools for e-commerce startups and summarize key features, OpenClaw doesn't just ask one model. It pulls real-time web data using its built-in browser tool, analyzes the results with Claude for depth, drafts the summary with ChatGPT, and saves it to my local Notion database, all in one command. No manual copying, no context loss, just pure, automated workflow. This is where the skills system makes it magic. You teach OpenClaw your specific workflows once, and it repeats them perfectly. I trained it for my client onboarding task. Verify email, send welcome email via Gmail, create a project folder in Dropbox, and add the client to Slack. Now, when I type onboard new client, Sarah at TechFlow, OpenClaw executes all 4 steps flawlessly. It even remembers Sarah's preferences from past interactions. No more repetitive clicks or manual handoffs. Let's break down why this matters in real terms. Normally, handling that client onboarding would require 3 tools: Gmail for emails, Slack for team updates, and Dropbox for files. Each step would cost me time and API tokens. With OpenClaw running locally, I pay nothing per task. My Mac Mini handles it all. For a team of 5, that's thousands saved monthly versus using cloud APIs. Plus, no rate limits. Claude's 500 requests/day, gone. My local model runs constantly. And crucially, no data leaves my network. That's non-negotiable for enterprise security. I'll show you the demo live. Imagine you need to research AI tools for e-commerce in 2026 and create a presentation. Normally, you'd 1. Use Google to search, 30 seconds. 2. Copy results into Notion, 1 minute. 3. Ask ChatGPT to summarize, 45 seconds. Total, 2 minutes and 15 seconds per task. Now with OpenClaw, you type, Research AI Tools for E-Commerce 2026. Create a presentation. Hit send. In 12 seconds, OpenClaw searches the web using its browser, extracts key data from 10 sources, summarizes it with Claude Opus 4.6, draft slides in Markdown format, saves the file to your local drive. Done. One prompt. No tool switching. No data silos. And because it's running on my Mac Mini, it's always ready. No downtime, no cloud dependency. That's the aha moment I've been waiting for. All your AI power, unified, private, and cost-free. Local LLMs aren't just a gimmick. They're the key to true autonomy. Cloud models cost $0.